Hello friends, welcome to my video. Hope you all were fine. Today in our this video we discuss about affiliate marketing software. What is the affiliate marketing software? What do you know about affiliate marketing software? Now we see in our this video affiliate marketing software. Welcome to our affiliate marketing software video reviews. We are in the process of reviewing all the software platform to give agencies and brands a better overview of features, benefits, and pricing of different solutions on offer. Now let's start our video. Influencer marketing news. Influencer marketing hub offers you all the first here we type affiliate marketing tools. Affiliate marketing software. Affiliate marketing software perform an agent management system for casino and betting operators. Affiliate marketing software basically used for betting operators, casinos and clubs. Now we see in detail about this. Why partner metrics? Partner metrics affiliate software gives full control over your online and offline marketing channel and strategy with integrated payment method, anti-fraud tools, and dedicated account management. You will increase your traffic, sales, and expand your casino and esports betting platform reach. Create, manage, track, and analyze your affiliate marketing program. Flexible multi-tried affiliate commission models, fully adapted, fully adaptable for different markets and regions. Comprehensive affiliate, comprehensive affiliate agent tracking and statistics, API-driven real-time reporting and user activity, feature-rich tracking and statistics, automated and manual payment, anti-fraud, intelligent tools, multi-level user access with different security level, dedicated account management, integrates with third-party gaming platform providers or products and different. Now we see engage top affiliate and reach thousands of new players. We work with over 200 international brands. By new, our operators reach more than 20 million players worldwide through partner metrics. More than 90%. More than 90% of these companies revenue within just a few months after integrating with partner metrics. Let's start a whole new level of a player acquisitions together. Next, partner metrics highlights. Easy integrations, guidance full support through every step of the integration and launch of partner metrics. Advanced features, advanced and initiative back office real-time data, innovative tools, data first of its kind in the industry. Marketing boost, individual setup design and content solution, marketing constantly, introduction to market and top affiliates, full support, around the clock support for all types of issues to training and business consultancy. Next, affiliate system. Partner Matrix affiliate software manages your entire introduction to market and top affiliates. Full support, around the clock support for all types of issues to training and business consultancy. Next, affiliate system. Partner Matrix Affiliate software manages your entire affiliate program. Its initiative secure, multi-currency, customizable, and easy to integrate. Agent system, partner mix, partner matrix, agent system help you to create an easily manageable and customizable hier- hierarchy of agent networks of all sizes for efficient player acquisitions. Why switch? Switch to pattern metrics for quick, extensive support, real-time reports, swift affiliate payments, and a truly powerful affiliate channel management platform. Recommended partners, partner metrics closely with trusted industry business and discover more opportunities. How to segment your casino affiliate traffic source, tools, techniques, common method, become a pro, become a pro affiliate manager, 10 mistakes to avoid in affiliate marketing. iGaming partner metrics. Partner metrics in 2021 software updated anti-fraud intelligence and new B2B partnership. Trusted by the industry best. We work with some of the biggest names in iGaming industry. The clients of affiliate marketing, partner metrics, servicing more than 120 operators from different. We are constantly striving to offer our clients servicing more than 120 operators from different. We are constantly striving to offer our clients the best range of services, value, and support in the market.